Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by making sure you are in a safe environment. Load story or a private online session and open director mode or your mod tool. Once opened, navigate to character or props where eye overlays live. Make sure to save a quick manual checkpoint so you can undo changes. Now, equip an NPC or your character slot for editing. This first actionable step ensures you won't lose progress and prepares the game for the overlay that creates the zombie eyes. Next, find the zombie eye texture or overlay within the outfit, makeup, or mod menu. It's usually named zombie or similar. Once selected, tweak color and opacity to deepen the whites and rim the iris with dark red or black. Reduce gloss to remove shine. Increase or decrease scale so the pupil sits right. After you confirm, preview the effect in different lighting, and with movement to verify the eyes read as undead in gameplay rather than looking like a simple sticker. Finish by saving the outfit or preset so you can quickly reapply zombie eyes whenever you want. Once done, test in combat and cutscenes to ensure consistency. If you encounter flicker or clipping, make sure shadows and ambient occlusion settings aren't conflicting. Toggling them often fixes layering issues. If the texture still misbehaves, reapply the overlay, try an alternate zombie eye texture, or reinstall the mod resources. These steps resolve most display problems and get you back to a stable undead look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.